BellaLuce BellaLuce Laundry Detergent Sheets. Deep cleaning, fast dissolve, hot and cold water, gentle, biodegradable, 200 sheets up to 400 loads, compatible with high efficiency washers. Lavender Scent. We're opening them up. This is what they look like. You can tell the lavender scent is pretty strong. They're about 5 1/4 across. 5 1/4 tall, and then they're about 4 1/2 wide. So that's what they are. I'm going to throw the whole lot in this load of laundry and then let it do its thing and then tell you what it looks like when it comes out. This washing, I could show you this how to use machine washing. Put clothes in the machine, put the laundry detergent sheet in a washing machine's detergent dispenser or under the clothes. Start washing, hand washing, add the laundry detergent sheet into the wash tub, put the clothes in the wash tub and start washing. How many sheets should you use? 1 sheet, medium load, that's kind of what I had. Half a sheet for small loads. So do not use this in the dryer. Do not get it in your eyes. Keep out of reach of children or small pets. Store in a dry environment, away from sunlight. Seek medical attention if ingested. Yeah, all that information. So yeah, pretty good stuff. Okay, so this is what the laundry looks like after it is the dryer sheet and it completely melted into, there's no residue. There's a pretty strong scent of lavender, but lavender smells great, so no issues there. But yeah, so it does the job. It washes your clothes and keeps them fresh and smelling nice. So you can find this on Amazon. It's a good option for laundry sheets. So there you go.